Hello kids, my name is Mark and we are back for more lessons. So today we will talk more about pirates. Okay, pirates. So the first word is island. 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 Okay, island. Next is treasure map. Treasure map. Treasure map. Treasure map. Okay, so we have island, treasure map, island, treasure map. This is island. This is treasure map. Okay, so we have island and treasure map. Now we have here treasure chest. Treasure chest. Treasure chest. Treasure chest. Okay, so treasure chest. Treasure is inside the chest. Okay. Next is gold. 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 Okay, so that's inside the treasure chest. So we have treasure chest, gold, treasure chest, gold. So this is treasure chest and this is gold. Okay, so treasure chest and gold. Okay, next is mermaid. 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 Okay, so half girl, half fish. So mermaid. Next is parrot. 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 Okay, so parrot. It's the bird. Pirate's bird, right? Parrot. So we have mermaid, parrot, mermaid, parrot. What is this? Mermaid. And this is parrot. Okay, now let's try to review the words again. So let's start with island. Island. Treasure map. Treasure map. Treasure chest. Treasure chest. Gold. Gold. Mermaid. Mermaid. Parrot. Parrot. Okay, now try to answer my question. If you agree, you say, yes, it is. If not, you say, no, it's not. Okay, so let's start. Is this an island? Is this an island? Yes, it is. It is an island. It is an island. It is an island. island. Okay, it's an island. Okay, next. Is this a treasure chest? Is this a treasure chest? No, it's not. It is a treasure map. It is a treasure map. It is a treasure map. Okay, so it's a treasure map. Next one. Is this a treasure chest? Is this a treasure chest? Yes, it is. It is a treasure chest. It is a treasure chest. It is a treasure chest. Okay. Next is this an island? Is this an island? No, it's not. It is gold. It is gold. It is gold. Okay, it is gold. Next one. Is this a parrot? Is this a parrot? No, it's not. It is a mermaid. It is a mermaid. It is a mermaid. Okay, it's a mermaid. And last one. Is this a parrot? Is this a parrot? Yes, it is. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. Okay, it's a parrot. Now let's say the words 3 times. Okay, let's start with island. Okay, island 3 times. Ready, go. Island, island, island. Once again, island, island, island. Okay, island. Okay, next we have treasure map. Okay, treasure map 3 times. Ready, go. Treasure map, treasure map, treasure map. Once again, treasure map, treasure map, treasure map. Okay, treasure map. Next one we have treasure chest. Okay, treasure chest 3 times. Ready, go. Treasure chest, treasure chest, treasure chest. Once again, treasure chest, treasure chest, treasure chest. Okay, treasure chest. And next one we have gold. Okay, gold 3 times. Ready, go. Gold, gold, gold. Once again, gold, gold, gold. Okay, gold. And we have mermaid. Okay, mermaid 3 times. Ready, go. Mermaid, mermaid, mermaid. Again, mermaid, mermaid, mermaid. Okay, mermaid. And this one is parrot. Okay, parrot 3 times. Ready, go. Parrot, parrot, parrot. Once again, parrot, parrot, parrot. Okay, parrot. Alright, now let's say the words twice or 2 times. Let's start with island. Island. Treasure map. Treasure map. Treasure chest. Treasure chest. Gold. Gold. Mermaid. Mermaid. Parrot. Parrot. Okay, now let's say the words once, 1 time. Let's start with island. treasure map, treasure chest, gold, mermaid, parrot. Okay, now kids, try to answer. What is this? Island. Very good. What is this? Treasure map. Okay. What is this? Treasure chest. All right. What is this one? Gold. Very good. What is this? Mermaid. Okay. And this is parrot. Very good. Now that's it for today, kids, and I'll see you next time. Bye.